So lastly, we've talked about Content Studio. Now this will be the continuation of my other video, and we will talk about like how you can make your hashtag organized. So Content Studio has these options where you can put a lot of hashtags and you can categorize them. So let's say, for example, this is the hashtag for giveaways, hashtag for blogs, and hashtag for podcasts. So you can put even 100 or 1,000 hashtags in that, and if you schedule the post, then simply just select your hashtag category, and then you also have an option to just randomly shuffle and grab the 10 hashtags on your inventory. If that is a bit hard to visualize, like I don't get what you're trying to say, I will show you how it works in just a few seconds. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3. So let's say, for example, we will be managing this account. So the name of the account is this one. Now, to do that, just click the social media post, okay? And then let's say I'm going to choose this one, and then I will add a post. So let's try to add another post in here. Okay, this one, and then let me grab some blurb in here, and then I will add the post. Now for the hashtags, there's also options. I'm gonna tell you later shortly. So there is an option to set a group of hashtags. So if this kind of post or if this kind of hashtag is repetitive, then you can just select a certain hashtag. So let's say I'll just remove this one for a while, and then we will create a inventory of hashtags. So how you can do that? So if you click this add hashtag in here, there is an options here. Let me go back to the Content Studio and this one, and go to the basic settings and go to the miscellaneous and scroll down at the top. There is an option here to save hashtag. Now I'm going to call this one a giveaway hashtag. So we giveaway, and I will put all the hashtags that we have and then save. Okay, now we already have a giveaway hashtags. Now in these options in here, if I click the hashtags and select this one, oh, it's not working. Let me just try to refresh it. Okay, and then let's try to upload again. Okay, this one, it's working. So I'm gonna click these hashtags in here and then WIM giveaway. So as you can see here, there is, if this is a repetitive hashtag, you can just save it by group. You also have options in here, like if you already have a lot of hashtags, you can just grab at least the 10 hashtags and it will, Content Studio will do it for you. So this will save you quite of time in terms of manually adding your hashtag, okay? Tags. Oh, okay. So let's say, for example, we already scheduled this one. So you just click the schedule thing in here, but I will not do that. So if you schedule that, actually, let me just make it scheduled so you can see how it works. So let's say, for example, January 27, and then I click the apply and then scheduled. Okay. If it's already scheduled, you will see this part, and in the planner section as well, the icon should be different. Let's refresh this one. And then I'm going to go to the 26th. Okay, so you will see that this one is already, the icon is changed into clock. Okay, now what's the purpose? I'm gonna delete this. Okay. Okay, so we will delete this one. So I want to discuss the purpose of the task. Okay, remember there is a task thing on the other area, so we will discuss this later. So let's say, for example, you are looking for other social media content. Okay, your goal as a initial social media or a social media assistant is to help your senior social media assistant to compile or to to compile a lot of ideas on the calendar inventory. So he can just choose what will be posted for this month. Okay, so let's say you are looking for an inspiration. Okay, so you can go to the discover section and then go to the content feed. Okay, and then let's say your brand is all about fashion. Okay, you have an app and the niche is all about fashion, apparel, or maybe you are an e-commerce website. Okay, so what you can do is, let's type in fashion trends, for example, fashion trends 2021, and then there is some few content in here that are, okay, this one is not trending because it only have one engagement. Let's say if you just want to be in English, so just to click English in here for the insights as well. So let's say you found a topic that can be, I mean, it's kind of interesting to repurpose. Okay, oh, I see it. So you need to click this one, and then you click this, open this this link. Okay, if this one sounds interesting, then simply just click the share thing, save social media, and then you set that into draft, and then make sure you add a task if you want to repurpose it. So needs to repurpose or come up with similar idea. Saved and then draft. Okay, you need to set the social media account, by the way, and save as draft. I mean, this one is super helpful for me. There is also an options if you want to be really specific with the author, with the Twitter. So fashion. So there are some tweaks in here, or probably if you are running a giveaway, so let's type in giveaway. So you have some, like, if you are running out of ideas, like what will be the giveaways that I need to create, then you can look for an inspiration in here to check like what will be the other giveaway that you can offer. Okay, there's also in here called feeds. So if you are, for the feed sections, this will be, let's say for example, you are running and you are following an influencer that is relevant to your brand. You can come up with the manage sources and then add sources, and then let's say let's say this one. So you type the keyword that, or should be like this, influencer, and then add the source. This one is not working, but you just need to come up with like the feed that you want to follow. Let's say for example buzzfeed.com. so that one you can select it. Someone is calling, hold on. So you can select it, add it on the influencer area. So you will receive, basically you will receive their trending content that you can use to replicate. So that's really the basic of this discovery and the collaborator feature in Content Studio. I think it's awesome.